Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen essential that every home chef should consider adding to their collection, the Viking Mixing Bowls Set. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Viking Mixing Bowls Set? This impressive 10-piece set is crafted from durable stainless steel, designed to elevate your culinary experience with both style and functionality. It includes bowls of various sizes, a 20-ounce, 1.5 quart, 3 quart, 5 quart, and an 8 quart bowl, each fitted with tight-fitting lids to keep your ingredients fresh and odors contained. One of the standout features of this mixing bowl set is its construction. Each bowl is made from strong stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting reliability whether you're mixing, serving, or prepping meals. The extra-wide rim on each bowl allows for easy handling and pouring, which can be a game-changer when you're working on intricate recipes. Plus, the embossed volume markings on the inside of the bowls enable quick and accurate measurements, making your cooking process smoother and more efficient. What's particularly noteworthy about these bowls is their practical design. Each bowl comes with a non-slip silicone base that not only provides stability while mixing but also protects your countertops from scratches. The BPA-free tight-fitting lids are another great feature, allowing you to prepare ingredients in advance and keep them fresh until you're ready to use them. Now, who is this set suitable for? If you're a cooking enthusiast, whether a beginner or a seasoned chef, this Viking Mixing Bowls Set is an excellent addition to your kitchen arsenal. It's perfect for anyone who loves meal prepping, baking, or simply enjoys preparing food for family and friends. The range of bowl sizes means you'll have the right one for any task, from whipping up a small batch of dressing to mixing a large batch of dough. Practical use cases for these mixing bowls are virtually endless. You can use them for mixing ingredients for your favorite recipes, serving salads, marinating meats, or even storing leftovers in the refrigerator. Their nesting design allows for compact storage, making them easy to keep organized in your kitchen. And when it comes time to clean up, you'll appreciate that they are dishwasher safe, while the lids are recommended for hand washing. The sleek silver finish of the bowls adds a touch of modern elegance to any kitchen decor, and the mirror-polished interior is not only aesthetically pleasing but also easy to clean and resistant to stains. Whether you're looking to enhance your own kitchen or searching for the perfect gift for someone passionate about cooking, this mixing bowl set from Viking is a thoughtful option that is sure to delight. In conclusion, the Viking Mixing Bowls Set is a versatile, durable, and stylish addition to any kitchen. With its user-friendly features and practical design, it's ideal for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. If you're looking to elevate your culinary skills and enjoy a more efficient cooking experience, this set